Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4 with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting into your truck and just taking a walk around the back. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be folded completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then you do also have two cup holders in the center, as well as a 12 volt, two USBs, and a 110 volt power outlet, so you can plug in something to power or charge. And then you have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And now looking in the front, this truck does have a remote start installed, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 83,737 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls for your center screen, where you can look at things such as your distance to empty, your transmission temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, and my key status. You can also go into your trip and fuel for trip 1 and 2, so distance driven, time taken, fuel economy on said trip, as well as your towing status and off-road status. And then you can also go into your settings for some of the features around your truck. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth, I believe. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. You do also have reverse sensors that will beep to alert you, and you have your dynamic hitch view, so you can hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something else. Moving down though, you have your physical media and climate controls here with heated front seats, so you and your front passenger can stay comfortable in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, your Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and your trailer brake. And on the right side, you have a 12 volt power outlet as well as a 110 volt power outlet. Then down here, you have this compartment with two USBs and some space inside, so you can power or charge something from there. But then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul and sport mode buttons. So you can there's your tow haul and your sport mode, so you can switch through from there. Then you have two cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is lockable actually, where you have a removable tray and a ton of space inside, as well as another 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something in there. Just put that back. And then last but not least, you do also have a power sliding rear window, if that's something you're into. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.